For this course, myself, Adam, and Rubai will be your instructors. Let's start with a simple question. What is CAD? Take a look at something near you, anything. For me, it's this keyboard. Today, before a keyboard like this was even manufactured, it was once designed on a computer using a CAD software. But what about the time where computers weren't even a thing? Imagine I asked you to design a keyboard only using clay. You could probably make one. It might even look really good. But what if I asked you to make 1,000 of them? Would every single keyboard be exactly the same? The answer is no, most likely not. And that's where the challenge begins.
The problem is that traditional methods can be slow, expensive, and difficult to repeat consistently. If you're sculpturing a model from clay and want to make a small change, you often have to reshape parts of the design manually. And if you need 10 identical versions, making each one exactly the same can be extremely difficult. Sharing designs is also harder. A physical model can only be in one place at a time, whereas a digital CAD model can be sent around the world in seconds. CAD allows designers to make changes quickly, test ideas before manufacturing, and create highly accurate models that can be reproduced consistently. Yes, I actually agree with Adam. Small differences are impossible to detect by hand. One keyboard might be slightly wider, another might have keys in a slightly different position, and another might have a small mistake that wasn't noticed. Now imagine you're a company trying to manufacture thousands or even millions of products. Those small differences quickly become a big problem. CAD designers can create an accurate digital model, make changes in minutes, and ensure every manufactured product is based on exactly the same design. Whether you make one keyboard or 1 million keyboards, everyone's working from the same blueprint.
And that is exactly right, Rubai. So CAD isn't just about drawing things on a computer. It's about designing things faster, more accurately, and more consistently than ever before.
Do you have any ideas that you like in real life? Well, that's exactly what we have in store for you in the next coming videos with me and Adam.